Hey guys, welcome to Scopus Flex Slot Car Racing. So I'm in the middle of moving house and I haven't got my track set up, but what I thought I would do today is have a look at a 3D printed body shell that I got printed off. It's printed in PLA. It's a NASCAR shell. You can see it's very similar to, has a different front end shape. I think it might be the Chevy, I'm not sure, but have a look. Printed, stood up. It's got a lot of cleanup to do, so basically I'm going to do this in two parts. So whilst I haven't got my track, I'm going to get it cleaned up. I'm going to get the chassis out of here into there. We're just going to see how it looks, and then when that's in the second part of the video, I'll be seeing it on the track when I get the track set up. So I managed to actually lose the video where I talked about the the cleanup that I did on the body shell and how I did it, and that it didn't fit straight away and I had to Dremel out the insides. So I put another bit of that on the next bit, so I'm just giving you a voice over here. I know it's not very interesting, but essentially that's what I had to do. The body shell wasn't a great fit on the inside. There wasn't enough space for the motor and the wires and everything, so I'm not sure if it was meant for a different chassis, although I think if you stripped everything out of this chassis, like everything apart from the wheels and the actual plastic itself, it would be a perfect fit. But as you can see here, this is the start of the painting, and let's get on to the next little clip. So there we go. I've sprayed up and painted the NASCAR. What I've used is an airbrush, and I've done like a gradual fade. My wife said it looked like a sunset. I'm pretty happy with it. I've put SFX for Scopus Flex on the car. You know, it's pretty basic, but it's nice and bright. It should look good going around the track. You can see the lines from the 3D print. You know, if you put it side to side to the body, you can see, you know, the quality is not as good, but it's solid. It's thick. I'm just hoping that it's gonna have a lot of weight. It still doesn't fit perfect, but you see it's just come loose out of there. So you can see inside where I've had to Dremel it out and make bits fit. But you know, it's a solid chunk. I think maybe with a bit of blue tack or a bit of tape or something, it'll work. I'm looking forward to giving it a try when I get a track set up.